There are three main basic micropipettes, the P1000, the P200, and the P20. The numbers all correspond with the maximum number of microliters per pipette. Generally, it is important to choose the pipette that holds the smallest quantity, as it will be more accurate and precise than those with larger quantities. A P1000 micropipette is more accurate than a serological pipette, even though they both have the ability to hold 1 milliliter. The micropipette is adjustable so that its margin of error is within 5 microliters of the intended amount. On the other hand, the serological pipette is visually estimated for the intended amount.
There is a dial in every micropipette which you can adjust to change the amount of aspired fluid into the pipette tip. There is a display on the side that reads the current volume it can aspirate. Turn the knob on top in order to adjust the amount of microliters going into the syringe, but be sure not to ever go over the maximum volume or you risk damaging the equipment. For example, a P1000 should not be dialed any more than 1,000 microliters. Each micropipette has a specific tip that corresponds to the diameter of the end of the micropipette. To attach the tip, you put the end of the micropipette into the tip and push firmly until you feel a click. There are 2 stops when pushing down on the micropipette. When aspirating or pulling fluid into the pipette tip, you push the button on the top of the pipette until you feel a slight resistance. This is the first stop. Then, put the tip in the liquid and let the pump retract, aspirating the liquid into the pipette. The second stop is used when dispensing the liquid. Push down all the way past the first stop to the second stop, ejecting the intended amount of the micropipette and preventing bubble formation. When done with the tip, push down on the eject tab over a disposable bin. Make sure to keep the pipette vertical at all times.
Accuracy is the proximity to the intended result, while precision is the repeatability of the procedure to achieve results that are very similar. A micropipette is consistently accurate. However, even if the measured amount is off due to some error, it will still dispense precisely because it can be adjusted in microliters, which is a very tiny increment.